I'm Maya from Molnify. In this video, Mattias and I will show you how you can turn a spreadsheet into a web application using nothing but regular Excel skills.
Hi, I'm Mattias from Molnify. Molnify reads your Excel file as an instruction from left to right and top to bottom. Every input and output that you want in your app starts with a small structure of 3 horizontal cells. Let's start with an input. In the first cell, write a title like Input 1. In the second cell, add a value, for example, 5. And in the third cell, leave it empty for now. That's the UI cell, where you can type commands later, like slider or dropdown, then color the value cell green. That tells Molnify this is an input. All inputs are green. Outputs, where you show results or calculations, should be colored red. Charts and tables are blue. Metadata, like app name and ID, is purple. Let's add one more input. Call it Input 2 with the value 10 and color it green. Now we'll make an output. We'll call it result. Use a formula in Excel like equals D 4 times D5 and color that value cell red. That's it. Your Excel file now has both inputs and outputs. To create a name for your app and a URL, you also need metadata cells, and we use purple for that. Write ID, and in the next cell to the right, you type your app's ID, for example, my new app. The URL of your app will then be app.molnify.com/app/my-new-app. In another purple cell, write name, and in the next cell to the right, you write your app's name. If you pick an ID that's already taken, Molnify will automatically create one for you. But here's the thing. If you keep that new ID and upload your file again later, Molnify will make a copy, not an update. So it's best to choose your own unique ID from the start. Once you save your Excel file, you can drag and drop it to create your app. After uploading, you'll see a small sidebar in your app. It's only visible for you and other super users. From there, you can drag and drop your Excel file anytime to instantly update your app. No need to go back to the upload page. That's the basics. Green for inputs, red for outputs, and purple for metadata. You can also create charts and tables, and we use blue cells for that. Once you have structured and colored your Excel file correctly, you'll see how fast Molnify turns Excel logic into a live app. If you want to go further, check out our written guides and reference guide at app.molnify.com. They include text, pictures, and downloadable examples to help you build your next app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Molnify.
If you want to try this yourself, head on over to molnify.com. Here you can start a 14-day free trial and start turning your own spreadsheets into tailor-made web applications.